to everyone. Today we will have the revision of chapter number 9, that is rational number. Okay, and the name of the chapter is rational number. So we are going to see the revision of this chapter number 9, exercise 9.1, 9.2. Okay student, so before starting the revision of this chapter, what do you mean by a rational number? Any number which is in the form of p by q, a by b, c by d, any alphabets we can use which is in the form of fraction. Remember student, when the number is in the form of p by q, a by b, c by d, x upon y, that means any alphabet can be used which is in the form of a fraction, is said to be a rational number. It is said to be a rational number. Okay, when a number is in the form of p by q, a by b, any alphabet, it is said to be a rational number in two conditions. It should be follow two conditions, then only it will be a rational number. First condition is that pq, that means numerator or denominator must be integer. It should be integer. Okay, the numerator and the denominator should be integer. Second, the denominator or the value of the denominator or the value of q will never be equals to 0. It is never equals to 0. That means उसका डिनोमिनेटर कभी भी 0 नहीं हो सकता. तो पहला कंडीशन क्या है? रैशनल नंबर किसी भी फ्रैक्शन को, किसी भी नंबर को जो p बाई क्यू के फॉर्म में है, a बाई b के फॉर्म में है या किसी फ्रैक्शन के फॉर्म में है, उसको रैशनल नंबर होने के लिए दो कंडीशंस की ज़रूरत पड़ता है. पहला कंडीशन ये है कि जो न्यूमरेटर में रहेगा नंबर और जो डिनोमिनेटर में रहेगा नंबर वो फ्रैक्शन होना, वो इंटीजर होना चाहिए. इंटीजर मतलब या तो पॉजिटिव नंबर होना चाहिए, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर होना चाहिए, तो नेगेटिव इंटीजर होना चाहिए. सेकेंड कंडीशन रैशनल नंबर के लिए ये है कि उसका जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो कभी भी 0 इक्वल नहीं हो सकता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज आई एम हैविंग अ नंबर 1/2. This is in the form of p by q. Okay, where numerator and denominator, what is the value of numerator? That is -1, isn't it? What is the value of denominator? That is q is 2. So one is positive number, this one is a negative number, and this one is a denominator is a positive number. So whole together it is a integer. That means -1/2 is a rational number. Second condition, what is 2? Whether 2 is equals to 0? No, 2 is not equals to 0. 2 is a number in the denominator. -1/0 is not a rational number, remember. So 2/0 is not a rational number. Clear? Whenever a 0 will be present at the denominator, it will not be a rational number. Clear? Now let's see. Have you understood about the rational number, isn't it? Now let's see the exercise. Here in this question, first it is asked about the list 5 rational number between the numbers. So dear student, in this question what you have to do is you have to find out 5 rational number between any two number like -1 and 0, -2 and -1. So first thing you have to remember is that countless, the word countless and infinity numbers are lies between any two rational number. हज़ारों करोड़ों नंबर्स जो है वो दो रैशनल नंबर्स के बीच में लाई करता है. ठीक है, हज़ारों नंबर्स. सो यू डोंट थिंक दैट वॉट एवर द आंसर आई विल फाइंड आउट, द सेम आंसर यू कैन फाइंड आउट. ओके, द सिंस 1000 and crores of numbers, rational numbers lies between the two numbers, so answers can be different for this. This you have to keep it in your mind first. Okay, now let's see the solution. One solution I will tell you. The first and the fourth part I will tell you, rest other you have to do with your own. Okay, since it is a revision class, we are not going to do each and every part over here. So first question, converting each of rational number as a denominator. So what is the number we are having? -1 and 0 we are having. So first we want a denominator of that. Okay, so -1 is here. This -1 when we divide, when it will be multiplied and divided by 6, it will become what? -6/6, because while cancellation it will become -1. मतलब ये -1 की जगह पर -6/6 लिख सकते हैं क्योंकि -6/6 को कैंसिल करने पर -1 ही आ रहा है, इसलिए 0 के प्लेस में क्या लिख सकते हैं? 0/6. Now you will ask me, teacher, here numerator is 0 and you said that the denominator will not equal to 0, then only it will be a rational number. So dear student, numerator में अगर 0 आएगा तो वो rational number है, बट डिनोमिनेटर में अगर 0 आता है तो वो रैशनल नंबर नहीं होगा. तो यहाँ पर ये जो नंबर है वो रैशनल नंबर है. Understood? Now we had find it the number, that means -1 is written as -6 upon 6 and 0 is written as 0 by 6. Clear? Now we have to find the rational number between -6 upon 6 to 0 upon 6. So -6 and 6 to 0 upon 6. How many rational number we want? We want 5 rational number, isn't it? So let's see. So -5, just imagine the number line. -5 before it comes, -6 before it comes, -4 by 6, -5 by 6, -4 by 6, -3 by 6, -2 by 6, -1 by 6, then 0 by 6, isn't it? So these are the rational numbers. Clear? You have to imagine the number line. Clear everyone? In the same way here, -2 and -1 is there, no denominator, so we can have the denominator. Now you will ask, 5 plus 1, why we are adding 5 plus 1? Because 6 is the number between the because 6 is the denominator. While doing that calculation we will get the 5 rational number. If you want to increase the number, can increase that. 5 will be added by 2, it will become how much? 7. Okay, 3 will be added by 3, 3 will be added by 3, it will become 6. 7 will be added by 2, it will become 9. You can change the number according to the requirement of the question. You can change the number, but according to the requirement of the question. If it is asked 10 rational number, then you can add the greater number. If it is asked a smaller rational number, that means 2 rational number, 3 rational number, then you can add the smaller numbers, depends on you. Okay, now one more question we are going to see, that is in the form of a fraction. That is the last part of the question. Okay, so let's see this one only. Here we are having the question -4 upon 5 and -2 by 3. Okay, so dear student, first what we have to do, in the previous question we have seen that the numbers are not having the denominator, that's why we are going to write the number with the denominator. In this question, both the number -4 by 5 and -2 by 3 is having denominator. What is the denominator? Is 5 and 3. Both are the different denominators. If it is a different denominator, that means it is an अनलाइक टर्म. अगर उनका डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंट है तो वो अनलाइक टर्म होगा. ठीक है. इफ इट इज़ एन अनलाइक टर्म, दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर. व्हाट विल बी द एलसीएम ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर? 5 and 3 will be 5 3s is 15. So the denominator is 15. Now look, you have to multiply the 5 in such a way, that means divide and multiply the denominator 5 in such a way that you have to get the number 15. Okay, so that number we will consider, which number it will be? 3, isn't it? So 3 4s are 12, -12. In the same way, if -2 by 3 will be multiplied by and will be multiplied and divided by which number to get the LCM 15? That is again 5, isn't it? So if -2 into 5 will be -10. Now look, since in the question it is asked about 5 rational number and this -12 and -10, -12 and -10, between these two number only one rational number is existing, isn't it? यहाँ पर सिर्फ एक rational number exist करेगा -12 -10 के बीच. So for in that such condition, what you have to do, whatever the things you are multiplying here, that number you have to increase. ओके, वो नंबर को बढ़ा देना है, बड़ा कर देना है. दैट मीन्स 12 -12 अपॉन 15 वी आर हैविंग, isn't it? And -10 by 15. These are the number we have got when we are multiplying with 3 and 5. So increase that number when we are going to divide and multiply it with 2. Again small number is coming. So dividing this, -30 upon 45, -36 upon 45. Understood? Now what you have to do, अब देखो 30 -36 और -30 के बीच 5 रैशनल नंबर एग्जिस्ट करता है. कौन कौन सा 5 रैशनल नंबर होगा? -30, ओके, देन -30, देन -31, -32, -33, -34 एंड -35. ओके, दैट्स वाई। समझ आया? मतलब हमको अगर इफ़ सपोज वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग विथ 3 and 5 we are getting the same denominator, but the rational number between this 12 and 10 is only -11, one rational number. Since in the question it is asked about 5 rational number, so 5 rational number लाने के लिए किसी ऐसे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करना है इन पार्ट्स को, है ना, कि उससे एग्जैक्टली 5 रैशनल नंबर हमको मिले। सो उसके लिए क्या करना है, हमको 2 से पहले मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करके देखना पड़ेगा इन दो नंबर्स को, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करके देखना पड़ेगा -12/15 एंड -10/15 को, फिर 4 से डिवाइड करके देखना पड़ेगा। तब हम जब 2, 3 और 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो कहीं पर हमको 3 रैशनल नंबर मिलेगा, कहीं 4 मिलेगा, बट हमको कितने रैशनल नंबर चाहिए, 5 रैशनल नंबर चाहिए, इसलिए हम यहाँ पर बड़े नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे so that we can get the 5 rational number between those numbers. So have you understood how to find the rational number? So dear student, concentrate it, learn it, practice it, then only you can able to find out the rational numbers. Clear? It's a very important topic. It will be helpful for your class 8th also. So just go what I said. So for today, thank you everyone. Tomorrow we will have the revision of question number